In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Lili online in 25. Before we dive into the process, ensure you have access to your Lili business checking account. This is crucial as it will be the starting point of our journey today. First, log into your Lili account via either their official website or the convenient mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself at the account dashboard, which is your gateway to managing all your financial needs with Lili. Familiarize yourself with this space if you haven't done so already, since this is where you'll find the next important section we're looking for. As you navigate the dashboard, look for the section labeled Business Build. The Business Build program is specifically designed for those looking to expand their financial opportunities and build business credit. After locating Business Build, you'll want to select it to proceed to the next step. With Business Build now open, you should see an option that reads Business Build Credit Card. This is the credit card product that Lili offers to help you manage and build your business credit responsibly. Click on this option to begin the application process. Now comes an essential choice, deciding on your security deposit amount. This amount is quite flexible, ranging from $200 to $50,000, and it acts as your credit limit. Consider your financial needs and choose an amount that aligns with your business's budgeting plans and future needs. Remember, this deposit is refundable, which provides peace of mind as you proceed. With your deposit amount selected, it's time to complete the application itself. Lili has streamlined this step to ensure it's as straightforward as possible. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your application. These prompts will guide you through all necessary forms and required information, making the entire application process smooth and efficient. Once you've submitted your application, the only thing left to do is wait for approval. Lili will review your application, and upon approval, you'll be issued your Business Build credit card. This card is set to be a significant asset for managing your business's financial activities, helping you build credit while providing necessary day-to-day financial support. And that's it. You've successfully applied for a credit card with Lili Online. By following these steps, you're on your way to enhancing your business's financial capabilities. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to reach out in the comments with any questions or experiences you might want to share about using Lili's services. Until next time, take care and best of luck with your business endeavors.